Good morning. I'm Roshini.P. My teammates Roja.K, Mahalakshmi.P, and Keerthi.V. Our project title is Personal Expense Tracker Application. Let us have a short look in the flow. First step includes setting up application environment. After that, implementing web application, integrating SendGrid service, deployment of app in IBM Cloud, ideation phase, which includes brainstorming and empathy map, project design phase 1, project design phase 2, and finally, project development phase, which includes all the sprints and final deliverables, followed by Q3.
I'm here to explain our personal expense tracker problem statement and proposed solution. Problem statement is to provide a personal finance that entails all the financial decisions and activities to manage your finances efficiently. To provide a personal finance app that will not only help you with budgeting but also gives you insights about money management. The purpose of our project depends on the needs to keep careful track of their expenses to make sure that they stay on budget. The main aim of this project is to create a faster, easier, and smooth system between the expenses and the income. So, for the better expense tracking, a personal expense tracker is the best way to record your financial data. Next, continued by Mahalakshmi.
I'm going to explain the technical architecture of personal expense tracker. The client side, that is the user side, appears an application for getting user input. The application is containerized and clustered and stored in IBM container registry space. Application has backend working with IBM DB2 connectivity and SendGrid for sending emails to the users. Moving to the flow diagram, we can see the user first registers and then log in to his or her account. After that, he enter his income and adds expenses and also set up limit. Whenever his expenses and equals to or greater than the limit, then alert will be generated to the user. Next will be continued by Roja.K.
Let us look into the cloud. We created a virtual environment for Flask application. We have Docker files details. Using Docker compose file, we compose up and run the image. We push the image into container using command docker push image name. CSS and JS files are included for HTML pages. We have taken the API key from SendGrid account for processing mail. Using API key, we use host DNS and process the image mail from deployment of application. In cloud, we use the service file.
Let us look into the implementation. This is the dashboard page. This is an about page where we will include tips about money management, and a link is provided here. We will look into the sign up page where the user enters his or her name with his email address and password. We can sign in through this page, giving the email address, the password, and when we give the submit button, we will be redirected to login page, which will include setting up limit, setting up income, adding up expenses. When we give this upload button, this will be uploaded to the DB2 database connected in the IBM cloud. And when expense exceeds the limit, mail will be sent to the user. Let us have a look into the IBM cloud. We include a resource group, personal tracker. We include containers, container registry, Kubernetes service, and storage, object storage, and a Watson assistant. We also include database DB2. This is what we are using in our project, and Docker is running in the background. Finally, the result will be an alert message to the user. Thank you.